Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this glam crystal skull look, then please keep watching. I used a lip pencil to outline the shape of the skull. I concealed my eyebrows using Elmers glue. Brushing the hairs upwards. And then flattening them with a steel spatula. Once the glue dried clear, I set my eyebrow with Mercier translucent setting powder. I used Depixym Cosmetic Emulsion to conceal my eyebrow. And I set the eyebrow one more time with the Mercier translucent setting powder. I used SmashBox Photo Finish Primer for the area of the face that I was going to apply foundation. And I used the Louise base in Rumour Shade 2 to prep the eyelid that I was going to apply the eyeshadow to. I used the Trish McEvoy Precision Brow Shaper to fill in my eyebrow. I used the colours Purplish and Pebble from the Morphe 35B palette. I initially applied the sky blue colour under my brow and then decided that I didn't like it, so you will notice at some point that I removed this later on. I used my Sigma E45 brush to make sure that everything was blended in well. I used the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer for the under eyes. And Danessa Myricks Pigments in Love Story for the inner corner of the eye. I used the MAC BrushBlack Liner to line the eye. And apply Tatti lashes in TL39. I used Danessa Myricks ColorFix and Blackout to shade the hollow eye of the skull. And I used Huda Beauty FauxFilter Foundation and Toasted Coconut for the glam side of the face. I then continued to shade in other areas of the skull with the Danessa Myricks ColorFix and Blackout. I then used the colour Pebble from the Morphe 35B palette and my Sigma E45 brush to blend and shade everything in. I then used the colours Sky and Purplish from the Morphe 35B palette to shade in other areas of the skull. I then used a smaller detail brush from Mehron to fill in the finer details and the outline of the teeth. I then set my eyebrow with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I used the Mouldlife Aquafix glue in all the areas where I was going to apply the crystals. And once the glue was tacky, I began the crystallization process. And to finish off the look, I applied the black sclera lens off camera. And that's the completed look, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see any similar looks, be sure to check out my Halloween playlist. And please consider subscribing.